Welcome to Rise and Restore with Hassan Mir, where we tell you the real legends, untold life, struggle stories to motivate and to encourage viewers to never give up on your dreams. Let's move to today's story. Please watch till end. If this inspires you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Rise and Restore with Hassan Mir. This is the untold story of a legend, a man who carried his father's dream and turned it into his life's purpose. The story of Pakistan's pride, Shaan Shahid. Shan, born in Lahore in 1971, into a family of film, art, and ideals. Little Armagan Shahid was destined for the screen, but his journey would be anything but easy. His father, Riaz Shahid, a visionary filmmaker, whose pen spoke for truth, justice, and the soul of Pakistan. His legacy became Shan's compass. His mother, Nilo, a graceful actress, a woman of strength and heart, who raised her son with dignity, courage, and faith. At Atchison College, young Shan learned discipline, the power of education, and the value of self-respect. Later, destiny carried him across oceans to New York City, the land of opportunity. But far from home, he began to feel incomplete. Surrounded by lights and noise, he missed the sound of his homeland. He realized, you can leave your country, but your heart never leaves it. He returned to Pakistan, not as Armagan, but as Shan, a name that would soon echo across generations. But fame came with storms. The industry was struggling, and the son of a legend had to prove himself. Not as his father's shadow, but as his own man. Many doors opened from across the border, but Shan chose loyalty over luxury. He said, I am needed more in Pakistan than anywhere else. From romantic hero to action warrior, Shan became the heartbeat of Lollywood. His face, his voice, his style, an icon reborn. Then came War, a film that redefined Pakistani cinema. A story of courage, sacrifice, and Shan's unwavering love for his nation. But behind the spotlight stood a thoughtful man, a son who still missed his father, and a believer in the power of art to heal. Cinemas closed, stories faded, and the golden age of film began to dim. Yet Shan stood firm, refusing to give up on his dream. He spoke to artists, to dreamers, to the next generation. Work begins at home. We must rise again, for Pakistan's cinema, for our people. Shan stepped behind the camera, not just to act, but to create, to guide, to tell the stories no one else dared to tell. Years of hard work shone bright as Shan received Pakistan's pride of performance. A dream fulfilled, a legacy honored. Beyond cinema, Shan's greatest role is being a father. Surrounded by his wife and 4 daughters, his heart finds peace and purpose. He hangs his daughter's medals on his late father's photo, bridging 3 generations, a silent promise that legacy will live on. Behind the camera flashes lives a man of few words, shy, reflective, and deeply connected to his art. For Shan, art is service, and service means sacrifice. I can give my life if my country needs it, he once said proudly. With young filmmakers, new stories, and renewed energy, Shan is building the foundation of a brighter, stronger Pakistani film industry. His message to the youth: don't chase fame, chase purpose. Use your talent to lift your country higher. From a boy in Lahore to a symbol of Pakistan's strength, Shan's journey is proof that greatness is not inherited, it's earned. Walking with his daughters into the sunset, Shan knows the legacy of love, art, and honor will live far beyond him. Your heritage may open doors, but only your choices define who you become. Success is not about fame, it's about purpose.
This was the life story of Shaan Shahid, a journey of struggle, strength, and legacy. Like, share, and subscribe. Rise and Restore with Hassan Mir.